Good morning or good day. Today I'm gonna perform the coffee machine, how to clean and how to use. Now I'm gonna start the machine to open. So we need to press the button. This is the red one. Okay, then put it down. The beans. Now in the part of machine there is a milk container, beans container, which is I have two types of coffee beans, the decaf beans and the dark roast beans. Okay, so in the part of machine there is a steamer, hot water, then I'm gonna perform what kind of coffee or what type of coffee I need to make. Para mamakya ito. Then shut up coffee. Caramel dressing. 1, 2, 3. 1. So that. After that, I need 2 steam. Need to press that. If you want extra hot, we have manual here. Okay, I'm gonna make cappuccino. Cappuccino that is more on foam compared to the latte. Cappuccino more now I have iced coffee, which is iced caramel macchiato, and they had coffee which is cappuccino. Okay, so I'm gonna do to close the machine. So I need to wet this button first. When you are closing the machine, so we have two types of tablet, which is the coffee tablet and the milk tablet. Coffee tablet, this is the small pieces of tablet compared to the milk tablet, thermoplan. So we are putting here in this side for the milk tablet. Then while in the coffee tablet, 2 pieces we are putting it here in the red one. Alright. So now we're gonna do to close the machine. So we need to press this blue. Then after that, if you see there is a cancel or you want to start. So at this moment, I need to cancel because I already did. So because if I will start, I need to wait half an hour before I need to close. So I don't have time to close this one. So if you will press this blue, it will 15 minutes. Then you need to open this one. We need to remove this red one. You need to put the tablet. Then after that, you need to remove this blue one. You need to put the tablet. Then the milk will clean. Then I will cancel this one. So only that.